Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a 370Z, and I'm going to teach you how to remove your window switches off of your door panel. All right, so first things first, in taking this door apart and getting the window switches out, it's very, very simple. Don't overthink it. There's no bolts, no screws, no nothing that holds this on. All it is two little plastic clips, and you pop up and pull it back, and you'll see a bunch of switches. You won't see a bunch of switches, I'm sorry. You'll see a couple plugs, and we're gonna unplug them. There's one side. All right, and you may have guessed it. We're doing the passenger side now, and there's no clips. Well, there's no screws, bolts, or anything. We're just gonna pop the lower section up and then pull it back towards the back of the door. And there's a plug back here, and we're gonna unplug it. And now both of your window switches are out of your car.